Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're cooking something super flavorful and incredibly delicious, caramel chicken. This dish is a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and umami, and it's bound to impress your taste buds. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of palm sugar or granulated sugar, half a tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a cup of coconut water, 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 large shallot, 1 large knob of ginger, 1 green onion, and black pepper. We're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to the chicken thighs. Mix it well and let it marinate while you prepare your other ingredients. To prep our aromatics, we'll start by slicing our shallot nice and thin. On to the ginger. We'll start by slicing them thinly and then giving them a julienne cut. I don't even worry about peeling the ginger here. The peel will pretty much be cooked to nothing. Next, slice your garlic into nice little thin slices. Let's start making our caramel sauce. We'll begin by melting 3 tablespoons of palm sugar in a pan. If you can't find palm sugar, don't worry, granulated sugar works just fine. Once it's melted down, let it cook out for a little bit. Caramel is by definition burnt sugar, so you want it to be very dark, but not to the point where it's black and bitter. Once your caramel is very dark brown, deglaze it with the coconut water. It will sizzle very aggressively, so please be careful. Bring it back up to the boil and stir it for a little bit to make sure all the sugar is dissolved. And there you've got a lovely caramel sauce. Remove this sauce from the heat and add in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and half a tablespoon of vinegar. Now let's get to cooking that chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil to your skillet, and we're going to sear these chicken thighs till they're nice and golden brown. Once you've got a nice golden crust on the skin side, flip it over and cook the other side for a couple minutes. Don't worry about cooking it all the way through, it'll have time to do that later. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the chicken thighs and set them aside. Now we're going to add our aromatics to the same pan. Go ahead and throw in your ginger and shallot and then season with pepper. Cook these out for a couple minutes till they soften. Now add your chicken thighs back to the pan, skin side up. Throw in your sliced garlic at the last minute and cook till it just starts to get fragrant. Remember that caramel sauce we made? We'll be pouring this right over the chicken. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This will let the chicken absorb all those rich flavors. Flip it over for a couple minutes so both sides are coated nicely with that sauce. Meanwhile, we'll thinly slice a green onion for our garnish. The sauce is nice and thick and the chicken is coated, it's ready to go. We'll plate this chicken with rice and a nice scoop of sauce on top. For a final touch, garnish with that green onion. Look at that gorgeous caramelized chicken. It's glistening with that rich, sticky sauce. Wow, the chicken is so tender and the sauce is a perfect blend of sweet and savory. That's it for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment below what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Good.
It's kind of bitter, but it is good.
I think it's really sweet and good.